Hello there and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Kinsey and today we are going to be making a witch house. My latest obsession has absolutely been covering everything in foam clay and moss, and this is no exception. It is spooky season, however, and that is my birthday. Let's get this going. Please excuse the messy board, but I just finished painting pumpkins last night. These have been sitting here drying out. These are going to be little wall candle holders, little logs for the fire, and the cauldron. Boop, like that. And then a little cauldron spoon. They're almost all done drying, and then I can paint them, and they will be going inside of the terrarium soon. This is what the terrarium is currently looking like. It's super cute. That is where I'm going to be putting the fire pit, and the cauldron will be around it. And then the candles will be up there in the corners, and little pumpkins will be hanging out on the sides. It's super cute. I'm excited. And then of course I'll put moss and greenery inside of it. And I'm thinking about putting a light in here, like this one. But we'll see. We'll see. Little test run. It's so cute. See, and oh no, we can do it like that. Boop. I am over the moon with excitement. These are turning out so cute. I'm going to go ahead and put in some ashes. If you look closely, you can see that the bottom is bouncing. So I do end up cutting most of the green out of the bottom and going a different route. And to make all of these pieces, I went ahead and took some of the scraps from another project and cut them into a bunch of books, shelves, and even the cutest little witch broom. But I did not end up using this. I'll save it for a side project. Using the same technique as the broom, I'm going to go ahead and make these tiny little candles. Every witch needs her hat, so let's go ahead and make one. All of the clay is dry, so now we can begin painting. Let's use our acrylic paint. Remember when I said I would remove the green floor? Well, this is what we ended up doing. Resin. It is perfect. Everything is painted and everything is drying. I am really excited to put this all in. I feel like a kid again playing with a Polly Pocket. Slowly but surely, this is definitely coming along. Moss just ties everything together. I'm completely obsessed. If I had the technology, I would absolutely shrink myself. Our witch has been very busy, so we need to go ahead and fill all of these jars for her, full of magical potions. I am using our trusty old UV resin mixed with some mica powder. If you've made it this far into the video, I just wanted to say thank you. You're the real MVP, And huge thank you to our Patreon supporters. We could not be doing this without you guys. Here's the reveal. Thank you for watching, and I really hope that you enjoyed this content. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments below. I hope to see you in our next video. Don't forget that we also have a Patreon, and there's a lot of fun things going on there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.